Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Science for Everyone. Today I have an announcement to make. My channel, that is Science for Everyone, just crossed 2000 subscribers, and I'm really thankful to my viewers and subscribers that have trusted my knowledge related to biological sciences and bioinformatics. So I was planning to share my future plans of tutorials related to bioinformatics. So this video is purely based on my upcoming plans that I want to share with you people that related to bioinformatics, what I'm going to upload in future. Basically, bioinformatics is very much demanding nowadays, and students are very much curious to learn the skill sets related to bioinformatics. So as you all know that I'm uploading videos related to bioinformatics, and the main aim of my that videos is that I want to impart a skill set to the students so that it could help them in their future, and it could help them in their MS thesis, BS thesis, project designs, and many other things. Okay, it is also important to the job expect, because if you're having a skill set, then you can get a job. Okay, so I will be sharing tutorials related to bioinformatics that will composed of complete skill set, and you will learn and enjoy it a lot. Okay, so let's share my future plans. Before it, I want to just tell you about me that my name is Nadeem Khan, and I'm a BS. I have done my bachelor's in microbiology from Abasin University, Peshawar, and I have done my MS. I'm doing my MS in bioinformatics from National University of Sciences and Technology. So what I the concepts and the skills when I learned in the MS, so I just uploaded on YouTube just to facilitate you people. Okay, so as you all know that NUST is a trusted institution, and the professors are very much great there, and they taught me a lot. Okay, and I'm sharing it with you people. Okay, so all the details and all the concepts are authentic and reliable. Okay, so if you haven't explored my YouTube channel, so my YouTube channel is Science for Everyone. I have just uploaded 180 plus tutorials, while 100 plus tutorials are related to bioinformatics. Just a brief recap of it, that how I have contributed to bioinformatics. So there is a playlist of 31 videos where I have just explained and performed different practicals related to bioinformatics that can be of use, and if you want to just build your foundation related to bioinformatics, so this playlist is very much suitable for you. Inside that playlist, I have uploaded 14 videos related to vaccine designing, and it is very much important with respect to bachelor's and MS projects, because it is a demanding skill set, and people are trying to make or synthesize or design in silico vaccines to just help the community to combat deadly pathogens. Okay, I have a video series related to computational drug discovery, where it is composed of 7 videos, and I explain the complete pipeline of a complete project related to drug discovery, that how to just perform all the steps and how to achieve your degrees related to MS and BS. Okay, so then you can explore it. I also uploaded 10 videos, complete package of microarray data analysis, where I use R programming to analyze biological data related to microarray experiment and just find differential express genes, some suitable information at last. Okay, so it can also help you a lot. Recently, I'm continuing a playlist related to RNA sequencing data analysis, and I have just composed 12 videos of it, and it is in continue form. Okay, because it is not completed yet. Okay, so this is a small contribution related to bioinformatics, and the mode of my tutorial is to just convey the complete skill set. Okay, so you can watch it and you can just figure out many important things related to bioinformatics. Okay, now this was a brief overview of my channel. Now the most important thing is that what I'm planning for future. So I'm planning about metagenomic data analysis, a complete tutorial. It is also known as, we can say, computational microbiology. I love to just call it computational microbiology, because if you're not having an idea about metagenomics, so basically when we just sequence all the bacteria or the other living or microorganism from an environment, from a human being, and then we sequence it, and then after that we analyze it, sequence it. Okay, so it is very much demanding, because I'm also learning it, and most of the publications are related to metagenomic is after 2020 mostly. Okay, so it is very much demanding, this metagenomic data analysis. Okay, so I will just explain all the complete pipeline, and I will just perform all the all the experiments and all the data analysis using Python, R programming, and Linux operating system. Okay, so it can help you a lot. Okay, it is a type of PhD project, just like this metagenomic data analysis. Okay, I will also show you different visualization related to the data, that how can we visualize the metagenomic data and how to just retrieve meaningful information from metagenomic samples. Okay, so this was I'm planning about this series, and it will be uploaded soon on YouTube. Okay, I'm also planning to just start a video series related to single cell RNA-seq data analysis, and I'm telling you that this skill set is very much demanding in Europe, in China, and other state of America. Okay, because single cell is the top leading sequencing technology, and people are unable to analyze this single cell sequencing data. So I will be showing you complete tutorials related to single cell RNA-seq. So from the very start, okay, and I will explain each and everything. It will also consist of Linux operating system, Python, and R programming. Okay, and I will also explain the theory related to RNA, single cell RNA-seq. Okay, now the most important thing is also about structured bioinformatics. The previous one were all about translational bioinformatics. Okay, and now this is about the structured bioinformatics. So I will be explaining structured bioinformatics, the drug discovery pipelines, that how you will choose your target of interest, how you will just identify it, and how you will perform docking, okay, and simulation. So basically docking, in our expect that we say that docking is a very simple approach, but it is very much sophisticated approach, okay, because docking is easy to perform using practical, but the main theory behind docking is very much important, because most of the students are not aware about the detailed literature of the docking. Okay, so I will be performing docking, but I will explain that when, where, and how you can perform docking. Okay, so this when and where, when is very much important, that when you are performing docking, so how you will perform it by using all your knowledge related to docking. Okay, so it will be a very detailed explanation related to docking, because I have learned it from my professor and I want to impart that knowledge to you people. Okay, okay, so this will be all the pipeline I will be using it. Okay, now another structured bioinformatics approach is molecular dynamic simulation. I have found that there are limited video series related to molecular dynamic simulation, so I will be explaining MD simulations in very much detail, and I will be following the theory plus practical. Okay, because if you don't know about the theory, then you can perform the practical, but it will be not that much effective enough, because if you just figure out an error, so you are not going to solve it, because you are not having the theory related information and the knowledge. Okay, so I will be just performing it and explaining molecular dynamic simulation in detail in the future video. So this will be also a specific playlist, okay, that will be specific to MD simulations. Okay, so this was my future planning, where I will be also explaining research articles and the pipeline that are used in that research article. I will be also explaining it. Okay, additional services I also provide. Project, I'm a project designer related to BS, MS, and PhD. I design bioinformatic projects for my students, for my clients, that they just want my assistant to just design their project, bachelor's and MS and PhD project. Okay, I also perform bioinformatics analysis if someone is in need of bioinformatics analysis, and if he or she does not have any a proper computing system to just perform its and their analysis, so I perform bioinformatics analysis for them. Okay, I also provide a service, that is personal bioinformatics instructor. If someone want to learn a skill set in person, so I just provide this opportunity, and I just impart all the relevant information and the knowledge related to that specific course, and I have done a lot. Okay, so I provide this service also. So this was all about my the future planning. I think you have find it interesting. I will try in future many more things, but this was a brief overview about my upcoming bioinformatics tutorial. I think I know that it will take time, but if you are you subscribe my channel and stay tuned to it, so you will get the notification of interesting videos related to bioinformatics. Okay, so again I'm telling you, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends, so that they also get benefit from it. Okay, and at last, I again thank you people for trusting my knowledge and supporting me in my journey of bioinformatics and other biological sciences tutorials. So thank you very much for today, and I will see you in the next video related to another bioinformatics tutorial that will help you a lot. Thank you very much. God bless you.